Hello, this is Roland, Cisco Switzerland. Today I would like to talk to you about a slightly different topic than usual, Webex Contact Center, and specifically about the AI agent and AI assistant there. I will be the caller. I'll dial into the contact center. It's a AI agent answering the calls there, and then if the AI agent can't answer the questions anymore or it's not the right topic for him, he will forward to a human agent in form of Baby Yoda, the perfect example for a human agent. And the human agent is then supported by an AI assistant, which helps him to get better answers for the caller. So let's have a look at how this looks like in real life. On the right hand side, we have the soft phone I use to dial into this contact center for now. And on the left hand side, we have the agent desktop, which the human agent has available as an interface with up here the AI bit, so the important bit of the call. So let's dial into the call and ask the AI agent my questions I have prepared. So let's dial in.
Hi, you reached the Swiss Norwegian Friendly Help Desk. How can I help you today?
Hello, this is Roland. I would really like to know how the sports team like Switzerland and Norway are doing during this winter so far.
Thanks for sharing that, Roland. Let me break it down for you. Norway is basically the lords of the fjords this winter, sitting at the top with 40 medals, including 18 gold. Switzerland is holding strong in 7th place with 20 medals, 6 of those gold. Norway totally dominated cross-country skiing, sweeping the podium, and Johannes Hasblad...
Okay, that's enough. Thank you very much. I would like to maybe talk a little bit about chocolate. I think Swiss chocolate is really much better than Norwegian chocolate.
I am now initiating a formal handover of this session. Please hold for a human representative to discuss this matter of cultural significance. Do not attempt to compare Swiss chocolate to anything else.
Okay, so the call has been handed over to the human agent. I see on top here that a summary is available. The summary can be looked at. I can see like what I asked about earlier and the information the agent has provided. And then there's a button down here where I can say, okay, I would like the AI agent to support me with my answers. So let's see what the caller, which will be me, asks next to the agent. Hello, this is Roland. I would really like to know why Swiss chocolate is being perceived as so good compared to Norwegian chocolate. Then the agent can start talking, and at the same time the AI assistant has listened in. So he provides some highlights here that the human agent can then use to support his answer. This can also be like links to a database or starting to create a ticket and these kind of information. So once the caller has been satisfied, he is hanging up, and we basically see that there is automatically some wrap-up reasons are coming up with a summary of the conversation, and we can then mark this call as resolved and submit the wrap-up here. That was it, short and sweet, hopefully. I hope it helped to get an idea of what Webex Contact Center can do for you, hopefully as well, how easy it is for the person to call in, how flexible the answers are, and how the agent can actually be supported with the answers provided while he's in a call. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.